Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect email to a Wix website. Start by opening your web browser and go to the Wix website and sign in. After signing in, you will be taken to your Wix dashboard. From here, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see a small menu area. Find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new page with different configuration options for your website. Now slowly scroll down through the settings page. Keep going until you reach a section called Communications and Notifications. Inside this section, look for an option named Communication Channels. Once you find it, click on it to open more options. You will now see different email services that you can connect to your Wix website. You can choose between services like Gmail or Outlook. Click on the one you want to connect. For example, if you select Gmail, a new window will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Select the account you want to use. After selecting your account, follow the simple prompts to give permission. Once you complete this step, your Gmail will be successfully connected to your Wix website. If you prefer to use Outlook, you can repeat the same process. Just select Outlook instead and follow the instructions shown on the screen. This is how you connect your email to a Wix website. Thanks for watching.